Hey KK gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. In this video I'll be sharing with you how I did a ponytail using my full lace wig. If you want to see this look, then keep watching.
What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful, though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
My hair is already moisturized and combed out, so now I'm going to be doing a small braid in the front. Just one braid. For this hairstyle, I'll be using Eco Styler black castor and flaxseed gel. To get my hair in a ponytail, I'll be dividing my hair into 3 sections. My hair loves water. Gently brush through the gel in your hair. I want my hair to be flat and smooth, laid and slayed. That's the reason for the 3 sections. Madumanina, watch her talk to herself. Yo, good enough. Start brush till she get everything in the ponytail then. Watch. Bomba, me get my little twat into a ponytail again. I did it again. Woohoo! So to get my hair extra laid and slayed, I'll be using 2 scarves as usual. Y'all know the usual. To get it smooth, flat, and everything beautiful. Baby girl. Yes, that's one of my baby girls. Honestly, I don't even remember the name of this wig. I bought it a year ago. One of those Malaysian, Brazilian, 100% human hair type of hair. When you wet it, it pretty. Yeah, one of those. So we're gonna be using the combs by sticking the combs into your hair just to protect it from falling out or anything. And then we're gonna be using the straps inside the wig. We're gonna be wrapping it around the hair. I'm gonna be taking a piece of hair from the back of the wig to wrap around the hair to make it look more natural. And a couple bobby pins just for the finish touch. So for the little accessories on the braid, I'll be using the little hair rings that you can get from your local beauty supply store. A pack for $1. It's super cute and cheap. My favorite YouTuber, Olive Destiny, would say your hair is not complete if your edges are not on fleek. Preach. So this is the final look. I was gonna spray it with some water and leave-in, but I wanted it to have that full look. If you made it to the end of my video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Please remember to subscribe and stay tuned for the next upload. Bye!